Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. So today let's see how to make the lockdown chicken Manchurian. I've taken a small cup of chicken here, so I marinated with the kebab powder. It's just the kebab powder. I have not added any other ingredients here, just the chicken and the kebab powder. So if you don't have kebab, take corn flour, red chili powder and salt and add it to the chicken. I've taken here finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. So we need sauce here. I'm making a sauce mixture here. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and I'm using the Viva Sriracha red chili sauce here. So this is for the spiciness. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce here. So I'll just mix it beforehand and keep it aside so that I don't have to search for the sauces when the chicken is on the pan, because we need to add the ingredients really quick on a high flame. So I'm making everything ready here. Now my sauce mixture is ready, so we're going to fry the chicken in the oil. So heat the oil and add the marinated chicken here and let it get cooked fully. So once it is cooked fully, we're just gonna toss it up. So you can see now how nicely the bubbles are coming up. The flavor will be awesome. So just try it. This recipe has very minimum ingredients, keeping in mind the lockdown situation. I'm not using any capsicum here, but I'm sure that you will get the same taste as you get it in the hotel. After the chicken is deep fried, I'm going to make a sauce mixture here. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil gets heated up here, I'm adding the finely chopped garlic and the ginger. You can see how finely I've chopped the garlic and the ginger. So I will be adding 1 green chili, a slit green chili. So just fry it for a minute or two till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. And after that, you can add the remaining ingredients. So I'm just tossing it up for a minute, as I told earlier. So it is a recipe with a very minimum ingredient. So if you're bored of eating the same kebab on the same starter, you can just do this. So just fry it up a little bit. So you don't have to burn it up, just make sure the raw smell is gone away so that you will get the nice taste of the ginger and the garlic when you are eating the starter. So let me know if you tried this at your home and if you liked it. Please share your opinion in the comment section below. I'm adding the sauce mixture. So all this needs to be done on a high flame. So I'm adding the sauce mixture and stirring it, or giving a real quick stir. So I will add the deep fried chicken here. So you don't have to simmer it for a long time, just 1 or 2 minutes is more than enough. So added the deep fried chicken here and give a quick stir. So the lockdown chicken Manchurian is now ready. It's not too spicy or not too sweet. It has the correct consistency and the taste will be very nice. You can try this with the fried rice or just like that. So let me know how did it taste for you. The chicken Manchurian is now ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.